The Commission on Filipinos Overseas, or CFO, continues to promote assistance for Filipinos abroad through its Balikbayan project. According to Secretary Romulo Arugay, the Balikbayan project is a one-stop online portal that Filipinos overseas can use to manage government-related services. The portal can also be used for finding housing or business opportunities in the Philippines or for making donations without needing to travel back to the country. The agency assures the portal is safe. It also held the 2024 Balikbayan Stakeholders Conference to strengthen collaboration with various agencies and institutions for developing additional beneficial programs.
For example, taga-Kabagan, Isabela, taga-Quezon City, taga-Pangasinan, nahanapin mo, partner na pala sila ng Commission on Filipinos Overseas. Kailangan ko magbayad ng PhilHealth, SSS, magpa-update ako sa ibang mga mga obligasyon, like for example, amilyar or real property tax sa LGU, paano babayaran? That's the essence. Kaysa bumalik ka, edi diretso ka na sa tamang link, your LGU.